When you're talking about designing a plug, right? What does that mean?
So everybody has a plug that looks dang near the same. I mean, they're not far from being different besides just a little tweaks in them. But I mean, you're going to have your slips set just perfectly to hold X amount of pressure behind them. You can do just little changes like a pump down ring. So a pump down ring is going to be a little rubber piece on the very bottom that when you start putting water on it, it opens up like a upside down umbrella and it flies down the hole. It helps push the plug down and saves water, saves time, and just a bunch of other stuff. But it's just you got to be able to have those just specifically set in the right place for it to work. Because I mean, if they're a thousandths off, it could just completely malfunction.
So when you're figuring out the size for that, is that, if it's the difference of a thousandth, right?
Mhm.
How are you able to determine what that size is?
So most of the time you can find like Conoco, I know has it. I'm pretty sure Exxon has like test wells like in Houston and wherever the crap Exxon is
Mhm.
that you
Everywhere.
can go.
Yeah.
Yeah. That you can go in and like once you design your plug, you can go in and set it and see and kind of figure out what's doing what. And so you can be able to measure off of that, move it around and do whatever you need to do on that end.
Okay. And then another thing that I kind of mentally noted was you talking about toe preps. What is toe prep, and how does that have to do with frac?
So a toe prep is where you're going to go down to the very bottom. So technically, it will be your first stage of your well. So you go all the way down to your bottom. You're going to set your bridge plug, and then you're going to set your guns, your explosive devices. Put your purse in the well, and then you're going to come out and log the whole well. So you most of them will have like an OD ring on the gun string or whatever, and they just log out the whole entire section to make sure there ain't no debris in there, there ain't no over tightened collars that could get in the way or whatever. So it's just pretty much make sure your whole entire well is just clear and clean.
When you're doing your toe prep and everything, I mean, are you doing a lot of the times? Are you using toe sleeves and stuff? Are you running in on coil and doing that? What's been your
No, it's
experience?
just regular wireline truck.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.